And now we're off to the Ambassador Villa in Galle. We are now leaving the Taj Samudra. Our destination is Galle. It's about a 2-hour drive. Unfortunately, our driver missed the freeway. Over 3 hours later, and we're almost there. Luckily, I had my GPS. This is GALLE Fort, and we're looking for our villa. I think we found it. Wow, made it.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. The Ambassador's House, a 17th century villa. How incredible is this huge open air living room? It's actually open on 3 sides. There's a courtyard area for outdoor dining and barbecues. I bet a lot of amazing chats took place around this table. Downstairs by the pool, there are 3 bedrooms. Each one has its own bathroom. Upstairs, there's a master bedroom with office and full bathroom, including 2 showers. Right next door, there's another bedroom with 2 beds and 1 bathroom. You can certainly rely on the weather here because it's 29 degrees Celsius every single day. Time for a juice. It's so hot now. GALLE Fort in the Bay of Galle is situated on the southwest coast of Sri Lanka. It was built in 1588 by the Portuguese. It was extensively fortified by the Dutch during the 17th century. This amazing house was once owned by the Sri Lankan ambassador to Pakistan, Iraq and Bangladesh. Dinner is served. Today we have curried green beans, potato with onion, papadums, curried eggplant, sautéed prawns, some dal or lentils and some red rice. Step outside your front door and you find yourself in the cutest street lined with tiny boutiques, with a choice of restaurants, cafes, a general store, even ice cream parlours. It's safe and great for shopping. And I love ice cream. Thank you. Time to say goodnight. Breakfast, my favourite part of the day, with fresh fruit, freshly brewed coffee, poached eggs, but wait, there's more, caramelised onion and hoppers. Okay, so this is called snake charming. It's a practice that appears to be hypnotising the snake. To me, they kind of look more annoyed than hypnotised. Maybe it's that tune. How cute is this little one? You find these deceiving tiny shop entrances, but once you enter, there's just so much more. This one is a restaurant, but it's also a jewellery store. We just ordered a pizza. This is the Dutch Hospital shopping precinct. It's an old hospital that's been converted to bars, restaurants and shops. It's positioned right across the beach. Makes it a great spot to relax and enjoy a coconut juice. How cute are they? Wow, heavy.
Heavy good material. Rosewood.
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 Rosewood. These craftsmen are carving elephants. Such incredible work and very reasonably priced. Now, where's that ice cream shop? Tonight is barbecue night. We're having barbecue prawns, roasted potatoes and mixed salad. Sadly, it's time to leave the ambassador's house. Our next villa is just a few houses away. They still insisted to call for a tuk-tuk for our luggage. Thank you, Chef. It's been awesome. Bye guys, and now a 15-second walk to the next villa. Hello. Watch the next episode for authentic Sri Lankan recipes, an incredible fish market and a villa you won't believe.